Chapter 13 Smart Charts. Flower of different colors. Have you been to a park? What colored flowers did you see? Were most of the flowers yellow in color? Look at the different flowers in the picture and complete the table. In the first column of the table, color of flower is given, and in the second column, we have to write the numbers of the flowers. Here, the table is completed like this. Fill in the blanks from the given table. First, dash are the most in number. How many? Dash. Purple colored flowers are most in number. There are 10 purple colored flowers. Second, dash are the least in number. How many? Dash. Orange colored flowers are least in number. There are 5 orange colored flowers. 3. Dash are more than dash. Purple colored flowers are more than blue colored flowers. 4. Dash are more than dash. Red colored flowers are more than orange colored flowers. What do we see on the road? Look at the traffic scene in the picture and fill in the table. In the first column of the table, we have way of travel, and in the second column, we have to write the count. Come, let's complete the table. Here, the table is completed like this. With the help of the table, answer the following questions. First, in the picture, which way of travel do you see the most? Most people travel by bus. Second, which way of travel, vehicles, do you see the least? Tractor is seen the least as the way of travel also. Bullock cart and horse cart are also seen the least. Third, the number of people walking is more than the number of dash. The number of people walking is more than bullock cart, tractor, and horse cart. Fourth, the number of dash is less than the number of buses. The number of cycles, scooters, cars, rickshaws, bullock carts, tractors, horse carts, and school vans is less than the number of buses. Self-study. Getting smart with charts. Just see the given chart. It is giving information about attendance. It is of date 8/2/2018. It gives information of students of class 1 to class 5. The total number of students in it and additional information about it, like the numbers of students present and number of students absent. With the help of given table, let's find the answer to the given questions. How many children in all are there in the school? To find the total number of students in the school, we add the numbers of students in the second column. That is 27 plus 23 plus 24 plus 22 plus 25 is equal to 121. So, in all there are 121 students in the school. How many children in all are absent on that day? To find the number of students absent on that day in the school, we add the numbers of students in the fourth column. That is 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12. So, number of students absent that day are 12. Absent students chart. There is a chart to show the number of absent students. Each absent student is shown by this symbol. Now, tell me how many students are absent in class 5? 2. Right. So, how many symbols shall we show here? 2 symbols. Absolutely right. Now, look at the chart and fill in the blanks. First, the class with the highest numbers of absent students is class 4th. Second, the class with the least number of absent students is class 2. Third, the class with 3 students absent is class 3. Fourth, the number of students absent in class 4 and class 5 are 4 and 2. How long is your hand? To complete this activity, follow the instructions. Make a group of 4 friends. Cut strips from waste paper. The strips should be of the same width. Measure the length of each student's hand with the paper strip. Cut the strip and write the name of the student. Rohan, Jacob, and Geeta also measured their hands. They stuck their strips as shown. On the horizontal line, we will write the names of the students, and on the vertical line, we will write the length of the hand of the students. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. First, the length of Jacob's hand is more than Geeta's hand. Second, the length of Geeta's hand is more than Rohan's hand. Third, Jacob has the longest hand. Fourth, Rohan has the shortest hand. Self-study. Children coming to school. The picture shows how students come to school. On the basis of this picture, we will fill in the table. The table has 2 columns. First column shows how children come to school, that is, their way of coming, and the second column shows the number of students who come by that way. 3 students come to school by a tractor. So, we will write tractor in the column way of coming. So, we will write 3 against tractor by the column number of students. In the same manner, we will complete the table. Now, we will complete the chart. To draw the chart on the horizontal line, we will write tractor, bus, car, cycle, pedal rickshaw, walking, scooter, horse, and
revolving chair.
Whereas on the vertical line, we will write the number of students up to 11. With every type of way of coming, we will draw the symbol for each student. 3 students come to school by a tractor. So, we will draw 3 symbols. In the same way, we will draw 9 symbols for bus, 4 symbols for car, 5 symbols for cycle, 4 symbols for pedal rickshaw, 11 symbols for walking, 2 symbols for scooter, 1 symbol for horse, and 1 symbol for
revolving chair.
With the help of the following chart, fill in the blanks. First, the most students come to school by walking. Second, the number of students walking to school is more than the students coming on bicycle. Third, the least student come to school by horse or evolving chair. So, isn't this a smart chart? By simply looking at it, we can know how much. what we have learned. This chapter is an early introduction to data handling, an important area of mathematics. Children need to be able to collect and record data, to present it in the form of bar charts and tables, to recognize patterns in the data, and to draw inferences.